stop it? Are you kidding me?
I hate getting wet.
Oh, you hate getting wet, huh?
I said stop it. I'm gonna tell my mom.
Yeah, looks like she really cares.
Mom, this man is stalking me. He took my water gun, and now he won't stop soaking me.
Sure, Mary Ann. Yeah.
Mom!
Hold on a second, dear.
Will you stop screaming? I'm on the phone!
But Mom! This man is trying to get...
Say mom again. Say mom again. I dare. I double dare ya, motherfucker!
Aw, hell.
Oh, what's wrong? Mommy's not listening to you? Oh, poor little baby. Do you want some water?
You'll be sorry, I swear.
Give me the badge. Come on, we had a deal, you little punk.
A deal? No way. I'll never give you my badge. Never!
So you want to do this the hard way, huh?
That's enough!
I'll tell you when it's enough, and it won't be till after I have that badge.
Fine, here's your stupid badge, you damn filthy pig.
Good boy. Now why did that have to be so hard?
Leave me alone. Get out of here.
My pleasure. Well, well, well. Looks like I'm back.
What part of get lost do you not get, boy?
Don't be so cocky, my friend. You're under arrest.
Do you really think I'm gonna fall for that toy badge? Come on, it says the coolest cop in the whole wide world.
Well, that's what they call me down at the station.
Kid, you seem to be one of those guys who enjoys being alive and stuff, so here's a free tip. Get out of here as soon as you can and never come back. And if you ever ask me about that ring again, those will be your last words.
Well, yes, I really like being alive and stuff, and the last thing I want is to cause you any inconvenience because of a simple misunderstanding, so I'll see you goodbye. Hey, what's up, Murray? Are you busy?
Excuse me?
I asked if you were busy.
Watch your tone, kid. I know I'm just standing here, but I'm no security guard. I'm an officer of the law, and I deserve some respect.
Do you, Murray? Really?
Hey, what's your problem? Stop talking to me like you know me or something. And, by the way, how do you know my name?
I'm your other self from a parallel universe.
You know, that does sound quite interesting, to be honest. But I don't have the time to hear it right now.
I knew you'd say that. I can read your mind.
Then you probably know what I'm thinking right now, don't you?
Of course, you're thinking, if he's my other self, how come I'm so ugly?
Actually, I was thinking of something you'd find way more offensive. Come on, get out of here.
You're not by any chance that super agent everybody's talking about, right?
Yes, maybe. But even the best samurais hurt themselves with their own katanas sometimes.
What do you mean?
I mean, I couldn't save him.
Who?
Poor thing.
But who?
It's It's a story of suffering, betrayal, cruelty, and grief. And honestly, it's very hard for me to talk about it.
Yeah, but come on, you can't stop now. You said there was cruelty and grief. Those happen to be two of my favorite things. Come on, give me the gory details.
There's not much to tell. It all happened a couple of years ago. It was a rainy day, and I was just out on my rounds. I would have never imagined what a cruel twist of fate lay in store.
Go on.
The thing is, I got an urgent call from Molyneux Park, so I went straight there, and that's when I saw it.
What did you see? Come on, Murray, go.
It was a duck. A poor little ducky. His head was stuck under the water, and he couldn't take it out. He couldn't take it out, goddammit.
Man.
I jumped in the pond, and when I got him out of the water, he wasn't breathing, so I tried CPR. But it's not easy for a human to seal his lips around a duck's beak. And when I pressed his chest, his ribs just snapped like dry wooden sticks. Then I lost all hope. God knows I did everything to try and save him, but it wasn't my destiny to save him. It just wasn't.
What?
Since that day, a lot of my fellow policemen praise me and respect me. I was even given a medal. But that won't bring the little ducky back.
Yeah, but,
My inspector said they would name a street or a museum after me in a few years. But I just want to make sure nothing like this ever happens again.
Murray, I think your colleagues are just laughing at you.
Why would you say that?
Do you really think that little story you told me makes any sense?
The greatest epic stories are always hard to believe, kid.
Tell me about it. You're a damn hero, Murray. I don't have any doubts about it anymore.
Yeah, that's why I've been so busy lately. Sometimes I'm needed on the subway, sometimes they call me to guard these conventions. My superiors even want me to personally prepare their coffee sometimes. That's trust, you know?
Oh, yeah, it's crystal clear. This town needs you like Gotham needs Batman.
Yeah, that's about it.
Did the duck get a proper burial?
Personally make sure.
That had a ring of barbecue about it, Murray, huh?
Oh, come on, kid. I buried him in this beautiful mausoleum I bought with my Christmas bonus. I even had a little duck head engraved on my badge in his memory.
Can I take a look at your badge?
Well, that's not something I'd usually do, but, what the hell.
This duck head looks more like a rabbit head.
What? No, you have to tilt your head a little. Imagine the duck is looking up.
It's easier to see a rabbit, though. I mean, you don't have to tilt it or anything. I mean, these are the ears, and look, that's the tail, the mouth.
No. Why would anybody have a rabbit head engraved on their badge?
Well, maybe there's a cop out there somewhere who pulled a rabbit from a burning car. But anyway, look at this. This clearly isn't a duck. Ducks don't have teeth. These are teeth.
Enough. It's a duck. I asked for a duck, and I got a duck. So it's a duck. End of story.
Here you go, Murray. Very impressive.
Thanks, kid. And now, if you don't mind, I gotta get back to work.
Well. What do we have here?
It's the guy who's gonna murder you unless you fuck off.
Oh, is that so? Officer Hicks, give me that ring.
What ring?
The one you stole yesterday, you piece of trash.
I didn't steal that ring. I mean, I didn't steal any ring. Officer,
Stop babbling. Weren't you just gonna murder me a second ago? You're nothing but a filthy rat.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Yesterday, I found a ring in Dr. Fred Edison Street, but it was on the floor.
Yeah, it was on the floor right after you beat the owner unconscious. I know your modus operandi, you maggot.
Hey, don't you think you're crossing the line a little with all these insults?
It's the power of the badge. Now I understand Sergeant Kramer.
Who?
Mind your frickin' business, you punk bitch.
Fine, let's not get carried away.
Oh, really? And what do you suggest?
Well, why don't we just talk about it like civilized people?
Are you insinuating I'm not civil enough to have a normal conversation?
No, of course not.
You, what, scum?
I don't want any trouble with the law. I got a wife and 2 kids to look after.
Then give me that ring you found already.
I don't have it with me right now, but I can show you where I hid it.
That's the most intelligent thing you've said all day.
Okay, wait here. I just gotta pull it out of my hidey hole.
Oh, please tell me you just said hidey hole.
Yes, officer. Houston, we have a problem.
Surprise me.
I can't seem to find it. It was right here, I swear it.
Do you really expect me to buy that?
I always stash my stuff here. I don't understand.
Well, then I'll tell the Jakes to prepare a bunk for you. Do you prefer top or bottom? And I'm not talking about the beds.
Wait. Someone must have taken it.
Yeah, you. And it looks like you're not too keen on handing it over. Well, hey, it's your call.
God damn it, wait! I've been robbed. I would like to file a report with you.
Excuse me?
I said I've been robbed. Me! I can't believe it.
Doesn't feel too good, does it? Well, I got robbed and clocked over the head for good measure.
But who could have known I put the ring here?
Well, the only person around here I've seen is... Oh, shit.
What?
Nothing. This is none of your business anymore. Get out of here. I should have known that bastard would betray me.
What's up, kid? Looking for something?
Oh, you damn bastard.
Hey, no need to offend.
I'm gonna do way more than just offend you unless you give me what's mine.
Yours!
Yeah, mine. And stop laughing already.
The ring has returned to its legitimate owner. You should be pleased.
Damn backstabbing bum. You know how badly I needed it.
Relax, boy. You won't be needing it anymore.
Oh, you were after the ring all along? Oh, what is this all about? But you even helped me. You told me you were some kind of an oracle.
What's wrong, kid? Don't tell me this is the first time you've ever been used.
Oh, you're scum. But you knew that already, didn't you?
Come on, kid. Relax. All that rage running through you right now will fade away in time. Certainly not today or tomorrow, but you'll find love again.
You think you're so funny, don't you?
I try.
My patience has limits. I'm warning you.
If knowledge is power and power corrupts, how will humankind ever survive?
I warned you. Give me that ring. It's mine. You know it's mine. Ah, dude, not cool. What, now you go around shocking people?
Did you think that ruining your life was the only thing this ring does?
I know it has its own will. I learned that from you when we were friends.
That's true, but you have no idea what it's capable of. This thing has dried up rivers, made buildings collapse, and even wiped out entire civilizations.
What the hell are you talking about?
Look, kid, I don't know who created this ring or what powers it bestows, but it's been altering this world's